If you want to add more storage to your Amazon Fire TV by formatting a USB flash drive, hard drive, or SSD as internal USB storage and free up space by moving or installing apps and games into it, then here's how you format an external USB drive for your Fire TV. You can use any USB storage such as your hard drive, SSD, or pen drive. Just plug it into the USB port that's at the back of your Fire TV along with the HDMI ports. And after you have plugged in your USB storage, you may get a pop-up that will say unable to read USB device as you see here. This will happen if your USB storage is not in the correct format. And from this pop-up, you can easily set it up as device storage. But if your USB drive already has the correct format, then you won't see this pop-up. In that case, you will see this pop-up at the bottom right. So you'll have to format it manually. And to do that, we will head to Settings, then go down to Device and Software. And here's our USB drive. You'll need to open it by pressing Select, and then you'll have to select Format to Internal Storage. Before formatting, make sure you don't have any important data inside your USB storage. Now it will say formatting, and you'll have to wait for a moment until it's finished. When the format is complete, we'll just go back and enter the USB drive once again. This will refresh the page, and now you can see it's formatted to internal storage, and from now on, any app or game that you install on your Fire TV will be installed here instead of your TV's internal storage. So let's install a couple games, and now let's check where it's installed. We will go to Device and Software, USB drive, then Manage Installed Applications. And here you can see both the games is inside the USB storage. But not just that, you can also move your already installed apps or games inside your USB storage. We'll need to be on the Settings tab once again, then open Applications, go down, select Manage Installed Applications. Now find the app that you want to move. You can see here the games that are installed in the external drive has a USB icon beside them. Now let's move Asphalt 8 to our USB storage. To do that, we will open it by pressing Select and simply press Move to USB storage. After that, it will say moving this app to USB drive, and while it's ongoing, don't unplug your USB drive. When it's finished, you'll see it will now say Move to internal storage, and if you go back, it will have the same USB icon. You'll also need to keep in mind that you won't be able to move apps that are already built in or system apps, and also apps that are small in size can't be moved to your USB drive. For example, we can see there's no option to move to USB inside Flappy Birds. But we can still move apps or games that are big in size. And lastly, if you eject your USB for some reason, the games or applications that are inside it won't be available. So now you know how to expand your Fire TV storage and move apps or games to your USB drive. So if you found this helpful, you can drop a like, subscribe to support us, and I'll see you in the next one.